So hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 143, that is reorder list, and this will be given that of the single linked list, and we have to return it like if we are having 1432, then we have to pick one node from the start, then another from the end, and then again one node from the start, then another from the end. Okay, so this is how our output will look like 1423. Similarly, in this case, what we have to do is we have to pick one node from the start, then one from end, that is 1 5, then from start again, and then from end, that is 2 4, and then again 3. Okay, so for this, what we'll be doing is we'll be playing a really smart trick. That what we'll be doing, we'll be reversing the half of the linked list, the second half of the linked list, and after that, what I'll be simply doing is I'll be having something like I'll show you. Yeah, for example, if I was currently having 1, then 2, and then 3, and then 4, what I'll do, I'll just simply reverse the second half, so that will be my like 1, and then 2, then 4, and then 3. So now I hope you'll get a idea what I'm trying to do. I'll be just using two monitor. One will be pointing towards this, then second two will be pointing towards this, and alternatively we'll be moving the nodes. Okay, so for that, firstly let's just write the recursive function. I hope now everyone knows we have been writing the same function for the past 3 days now. So that is it. Def I'll be using the name reverse. So with the two arguments that are prev and my current pointer, so if not current, I'll be returning prev, and otherwise what I'll be doing, I'll be moving my temp equal to current dot next, and my current dot next will be pointing towards my previous pointer, and then I'll be calling the recursive function again, that is return current comma temp. Okay, now let's find the mid of the linked list to traverse it. Slow equal to fast, that will be equal to head. And now while my fast.next and fast.next.next exist, while fast.next and fast.next.next. Okay, so what I'll be doing, I'll be moving my slow pointer equal to slow.next and fast equal to fast.next.next. And now I'll be just reversing the second half. So for that, let's call the node, let's say the reversed half, we'll be calling it as node, and I'll be reversing the slow dot part from the slow dot next pointer, slow dot next, and then I'll be changing my slow pointer to slow dot next, that will be equal to none. Okay. Now I am having the two nodes, and just now I need to have a pointer towards these, and my work will be done. So let's have a pointer, let's say head1, that will be pointing towards head, and also let's have a current node, which is a new list node of, let's say we are having -1 in that, and now while my head1 exists, head1, what I'll be doing is I'll be moving my storing temp will be equal to head1 dot next. So now I'm having the next pointer, the next node in the temp, and now what I'll be doing, I'll be moving my current dot next, that will be equal to head1, and my head1 dot next will be equal to my node, and then what I'll be doing is I'll be making my current pointer to node, it will be equal to node, and then my head1 will be equal to temp again. And for the condition that, for example, I am having a odd number of pairs in the first half, so if for that only I have to do node, if node exists, then only I'll be moving node equal to node dot next. Okay, and so this is how it will be done, and let's run it, as we don't have to return anything, it's mentioned here. Okay, so it says cannot, missing, oh sorry, the same mistake I'm making in the last 3 days. Now let's run it. temp is not defined. Okay, so I guess temp. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.